guys, it's Charity from A Loop and a Hook, and I'm going to be doing another day in the life. So I think I'm going to be doing, or at least attempt to be doing, a day in the life throughout the month of December, just as something kind of fun to do, because there's a lot going on during the month. So this morning we went to the gym. Me, Mom, and Grandma, we went to the gym together, and then after that we stopped at Aldi's. I picked up, bread, bagels, and then they had boneless, skinless chicken thighs, like the antibiotic free, the natural ones. They were 50% off, so I think it was like $1.80 a pound. And where we live, I normally can only find, them going on sale for, $2.29 a pound, for not like the natural ones. So I was super happy about that. I picked up, I think it was 5 packages. They were the little packages. So I think I will probably either today or tomorrow put together some freezer meals for this month to help things a little bit. But it is 11 o'clock right now. Colin did not have to go to work today. Caitlin is sleeping. So yeah, I have a book study to go to this afternoon, and then this evening Colin and I have a meeting to go to. So it's kind of going to be a busy day. I don't know how much I'm going to get done. I need to edit a video from this weekend so I can post that for you guys. But yeah, I think it's going to be a busy day. I'm going to try to get as much, done around the house as I can, but it's kind of been a busy morning already. So I got the kitchen most of the way cleaned up. Got the counter cleared off, the stove cleared off. It needs to get cleaned and like scrubbed down, but that's not going to happen right now. But did 1 load of dishes. Still have like another load or 2 to go, but I need to take a shower and go get ready. So I am happy with getting that much done with like the 15 minutes that I had. So it's been 2 days. Yesterday was mostly a day spent setting up my new phone that I had to get because my old phone, it just started glitching it where it would just completely restart for no apparent reason. Like I'd walk out of the house and it would just completely restart, and then it would get like in a loop of restarting, and it was just very annoying and not very convenient either, because it would do it at like the most inconvenient times. So over Black Friday I picked up a phone that was on sale, so hopefully that lasts me a little bit longer than the one I just replaced. And also yesterday I was on the phone a lot, working on getting internet set up. We're switching internet and phone over to a different provider because it's cheaper, but it also will work better with my business. So that took a lot of my day yesterday. So I didn't film. I did make 2 pots of applesauce yesterday with apples that I had. This morning I've been working on cleaning. Yesterday we also drove out to the Schuylerville area to pick up some clothes for Colin. Somebody was getting rid of 3 bags of them, so we picked them up and got a lot of good things for him, which I was super thankful for, because with his job he goes through a lot of clothes, so finding them for free was really helpful. But yeah, today I'm cleaning, trying to get everything ready before the guy comes to install the internet. And yeah, I have to drop Colin off to work later. His boss is a volunteer firefighter, and they had a fire last night at like 3 in the morning. So he didn't get out until a little while ago, so he's going in late. So I got a little while. Caitlin is still sleeping. So yeah, I'm trying to get as much done before everybody else wakes up. So this pile right here, these 2 piles are what we picked up yesterday for Colin. They had a bunch, these shirts. They are Realtree fishing in super great condition. They were barely worn, if worn at all. Tons of t-shirts, which was really helpful because he goes through them so quickly. And then up here we have, they're like snow pants, but that's perfect for his job because he does snow plowing, so that's perfect. We were super happy with that, and he didn't have any. So when Colin and Caitlin wake up, all this has to go get put away in the bedroom, but they're sleeping, so it's just kind of my dumping ground for now until I can get in the bedroom and put everything away. So I've gotten most of the living room picked up so far, which is just kind of tidying, picking up the clothes that we got yesterday. I need to vacuum it still, but once again, gonna wait until Colin and Caitlin wake up just so that I don't wake them up. So for the past couple of months, I've been following this one Facebooker. I follow her on Facebook, but I know she does Instagram, TikTok, and all that. But it's a decluttering page, and you know, I follow a few of them because I'm trying to simplify things quite a bit, and I really like what she puts out. So for the month of December, she's doing a decluttering, 25 days of decluttering. And I've been meaning to do it. I just have not gotten caught up yet. But today, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's serving plates, charcuterie boards, all that. Now, I don't have much of that. That's one thing I haven't really gotten a lot of because I don't do a lot of hosting because the apartment is so small. But I'm going to try to get caught up on like the previous 3 days, and I'll see if I have anything in that category that I can get rid of. But it's really helpful for me, you know, seeing, you know, being like, you should go through, see if you can declutter anything from here. You know, sometimes it's just a little bit more motivation to do something than I might normally have. She also does twice a week like a wheel of decluttering where she spins a wheel, and then you have until the end of the day to declutter whatever area the wheel lands on. So that's been really helpful too, but I think I'm going to do that after I finish getting the house clean. So I think that should be really good. I will go ahead and link her website and her Facebook down below, so you guys can go check her out. Go give her a follow if you like her content. It's just been really helpful for me trying to simplify and minimalize everything that I have. So when I went to the laundromat, my jar of laundry soap slid off the laundry and broke. So I need to do laundry, so I need to clean it up and see if I can save any of it, and if not, then I need to make more laundry soap before I can go do laundry again. So it was disappointing because I really like the container, but it's life. I'm sure I can find another one at the thrift store. In the time being, I'll probably just use like a mason jar. So it all works, but this is real life. Things break.